How to see transaction history on IG trading. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you're trying to check your transaction history on IG trading so that you can check and track your past trades and payments, here's how you can do it. First of all, launch open the IG trading application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, from the home page, go ahead and tap on the account button at the bottom right corner. After you're inside the account button, tap on history. Now on the next page, under history, select transactions. Now, here you'll be able to filter the transaction history you want. Go ahead and filter from the period, last hours or show option. And once you do that, in this page, you'll be able to see your transaction history. After filtering from the top, tap on View History and you'll be able to see all of your history if there is any. But if you do have it, then you'll see full list of your transactions, including buy or sell trades, deposits and withdrawals, fees and charges. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.